Yo, let's go. We are open for trading. We are live. Open for the Asia night session. Let's get this row. Let's get the show on the road. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second here. I gotta make sure some stuff are set up. All right, we're back. We're back. We're back. Trading here. Pretty interesting open. We have about a 100-point gap. I mean, it was 200 open, whatever, but gonna be a little bit aggressive here. Gonna do some little bit of smash or pass kind of type. Get a little bit aggressive. This is just an evaluation, so gonna be a little bit aggressive with it here. Let's set everything correctly. Very uneventful. We opened up, had a bullish move. Looks like we had a flag, but it just kept breaking down, and the Bears are taking control again. Very unfortunate. Tragic, tragic. But it is what it is. It's part of trading. They're going to be aggressive here with these little scalps. Going to try to claim what I can. Get what I can get. We are below VWAP. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat, it's just been a long day. I've just been busy, so I just hopped on. Got here, hopped on, and now we're live. We are here. Let's make it happen. Also, peep the new setup, y'all. I got it. I finally decided just to get a new mic. The other mic that I had actually was pretty good, but I would go back and listen to like the quality. The quality was there. It just sounded very distant, and I finally committed to just buying a mic boom arm, whatever, so I can kind of switch it and move it. Sorry, very convenient. I'm not gonna lie. And the mic here, it's a Rode Pod mic, which is like pretty good to be honest. I got it for about $99. Really solid mic. I'm gonna take entry here. Take a buy, bounce off the bottom level here at 32. Let's see if we can squeeze on back to 47 up there. Playing pretty aggressive here with 5 contracts, so we're playing with some big money here on this evaluation account. It's not on my funded, so y'all just chill. All right, just chill. It's just a funded, evaluation account, so I'm definitely gonna be a little bit aggressive with it. Let's see if we can get this pullback, this rejection off this bottom here, and push it up to 47.50. Come on. Turn that off. Move this to break even. I just don't like doing this sometimes. It better not come back, stop me out, and then continue on up. Let's get this push back above 45, break above, and go to 47.50. We're about 7 points away. Luckily, there's no trailing on this, so if it were trailing drawdown, I would have to close out, but it's not, so I don't like that. I do not like that. We'll take 550. That was not a good close that I wanted. Now it's gonna go to where I wanted it to go, but it's fine. No wick, so I think we might still wick below it. I'm gonna be aggressive here with the trading entries as well. I'm gonna be just trying to scalp and get points here and there. Missed out some profits. It was up about 900, but I only ended up taking 550 from that. It's fine either way. This is just a funded account, so profit is profit. We'll take any profit that we can get. I'm definitely playing a little bit more aggressive here as well. We are setting for lower high, so I mean we're below VWAP. Shorts are definitely in control here. But I'm not just too overzealous yet on it. Might still be some more chopping that needs to happen, who knows. Hopefully I think this mic, it shouldn't be picking up any background noise. It's raining where I'm at now, so there's that. Oh, here we go. There's the breakdown. There we go. Let's see here. 31, 35. Yeah, we can probably break. I'm gonna do this. Let's take that trade. Let's get this push back up above here. I want to see us push towards 50. Let's get the bulls to pull back a little bit here. Stop loss at 37, which is just right below this. Kind of don't want to go. If it goes red, it's probably going to continue down. So if the candle goes red, that's what I'm saying. Stopped out. Down 25. Stops me out perfectly and just continues going the way that I want it to. Don't you love it? Don't y'all love trading? What a bummer. Oh, well, I mean, I was going to get stopped out either way. This next candle was still going to stop me out regardless. So we were up 550. Now we're down 25 in total. Luckily, there's no trailing drawdown on the evaluation stage, thankfully. So you gotta love end of day drawdown on evaluation accounts. I don't know. I'm not keen on. Oh shoot! What's going on? I thought we were gonna moving up. All right, and let's get this push back up. 33. We can break above 45. I think we can push it back to VWAP here. So gonna be aggressive with this. Just gonna enter here for a long entry. Gonna see if we can close back above my entry. Let's get this pump back up here. Starting to get some movement here. I don't know where the volatility is coming. Is the president speaking? Or are there bombs going off again? What's going on? There we go. Let's get this about 40. All right, I don't want to make too much money. Okay, 1100. Hey. Solid there. And the reason why I don't want to make too much money is because I can only make 1500 on this. Because it's the evaluation stage for the profit that I'm trading right now with only allows you to have it's a 50% consistency. So if I go above that, I don't get taken out, or it doesn't violate it doesn't violate the rule, but I just have to make more money. I don't want to have to go through that trouble. We are getting some movement. The bulls are back. I don't know what's going on. Is there news or something? Where is this coming from? Jeez. 20 points. How much is that? 40. That would be 80 because 40 is, yeah, 200. So it would be 81. What would they look like? That's pretty big. Oh man. Yo, I was kind of. I mean, it wasn't really big, but I was kind of a little bit volatile. What like? Did we just get some news that came out or something? Were there news? Again, I just want to reiterate this again because some people are gonna watch this and be like, "Yo, you made $1,100." No, this is just on evaluation. This is not real money, people. All right, this is on an evaluation account. I do have a funded account. The firms, well, not the firm, the funds were just taken out of it whenever the Asia session opened up. But I'm not gonna trade that until tomorrow. Not until we open up for New York. No week to the upside, above 55. It's not really great. Hey yo, hold on, I'm gonna grab some water. I'll be right back. All right, all this speaking is making me thirsty. Straight up, straight down. I mean, we are wedging pretty hard here. It's just a huge wedge. Look at that. Wedging. So which side is it gonna go? Up or down? Flip a coin, y'all. Flip a coin. Flip a coin. See where the market goes. This definitely squeezed out some people. We're getting tighter. The range is getting tighter and tighter. We're about to break. Up or down, y'all. What do you think? What do y'all think? I'm gonna take a long here. We're gonna look to try to get the upside up to 60. Probably scalp here. Have my take profit there just in case it wants to run it all the way back up very quickly like it just did here. I'm not gonna be mad at that. I wouldn't be mad. Wait. Stupid thing's not loading correctly. Come on. Don't be going blank on me. I don't want that. Ain't nobody got time for that. We don't got time for that. Oh, stop that. All right. Not bad, not bad. Just don't like that we don't have a wick up there. Just not pretty. It's taking long. Come on. Go back up to this. It's not really a wick. I know you want to go back up there. You want to be stingy. Come on, NASDAQ. You want that up there. Exactly. Go fill that gap. I don't want to make too much money. All right. 1365. That's pushing it. So 1365. Just being a little bit aggressive with this because it's a evaluation account. And with the evaluations, I don't want to be in the evaluations for too long. For me, at this point, I mean, you don't want to just blow evaluations after evaluations, right? But overall, for me, I would be really losing money just hanging out in the evaluation stage. I mean, whenever I first started it would be okay to be in there for like, if I want to take my time and really just iron things out. But I'm at a point now where I know I can get payouts, so it really doesn't benefit me to be hanging out. And oh, there's the break above. That's what I wanted to see, is because there's no wake. But either way, it really doesn't benefit me just to stay in the evaluation stage for too long. I'm at a point where I can get funded, and it's great, to be honest. It's really good knowing that I can become a funded trader. I do blow a funded account because I remember first starting out trading. I have some of the videos just privated. Maybe I'll release it later in my career, I guess. But I mean, I haven't deleted them. They're just privated. But regardless, I remember like just it took me forever just to get funded. I think it took me close to it took me a few months. It wasn't a year, but I remember it took me so long, and I was so happy whenever I got funded. I thought that my life was gonna change, and I had opened a new realm, right? But unfortunately, that was not the case. Blew my first funded account quick. Okay, so we're breaking out now to the upside. 165, 13. I mean, we're up there to 65. Wow, I can't speak. I can realistically just make 1500 on this evaluation. So we're pushing it. I think that's this is probably a good spot to really just kind of call it and chill out. If I wanted to get my funded, I could, but I'm not gonna trade my funded until the New York Open. There we go. I think we're breaking to the upside now. We're above VWAP, so looks like the Bulls are back in control. They're gonna break up and go break out. Wait, Bulls are in. Look at that breakout. Draw it out. Boom, there's your breakout. Hindsight, right? Hindsight. I just saw lightning. Thought I was gonna do something, but I guess not. Either way, I think I'm gonna call it here because we're up 1365, and I mean I could try to max it out 1500, but that's good enough. If you tuned in, appreciate. If you tuned in, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, but definitely turn on that notification bell if you do subscribe, because I am going live more often, and you're not gonna want to miss out on the entertainment. So either way, be smart by your trading. This is not financial advice, but just be disciplined, I guess.